Welcome, food-loving souls, to the peaceful kitchen corner of Cooking Tips 5S. Before we roll up our sleeves and step into the heart of the kitchen, let your eyes feast upon these two petite masterpieces we shall weave together today. First, a baked tangerine egg cloud is velvety and rich, with a glistening, succulent center poised to burst. Immediately after, the rustic black sesame oat moon, chewy and fragrant, will provide a soulful note to soothe every sense. Now, let your shoulders relax. Set aside your lingering worries. Listen to the whispers of the ingredients and fully immerse yourself in this healing moment. There are days when the weather turns somber and the body suddenly yearns for something decadent and warm, yet kissed by a fresh, pristine aroma to awaken the spirit. This first creation was born precisely for such a moment. In a small kitchen corner, humble ingredients await their miracle. 2 fresh brown eggs are cracked, sliding smoothly into a lovely sponge-patterned ceramic bowl with a gold rim. Next, a snowfall of white sugar, a shimmer of light oil, and a stream of rich ivory milk flow into the bowl in turn. The whisk strikes a lively rhythm, swirling and blending everything into a golden silken ribbon, airy and smooth as a cloud. The next character to step onto the stage is a radiant tangerine, wearing the bright orange of the sun, its stem still bearing a vibrant green leaf. This is when the hands display their most meticulous care. The blade gently grazes the skin, peeling away the textured zest, fragrant with essential oils. It does not stop there. Each segment is separated, and then the thin, delicate white pith is tenderly removed. What remains on the vintage porcelain plate are the purest tangerine gems, succulent and glistening like stunning orange jade. These jewels are carefully divided into 3 petite silver foil cups. At this moment, the glistening cloud of the egg milk mixture is gently poured, softly embracing the segments resting quietly within. Placing the cups into the gentle warmth of the air fryer, the hands do not forget to accent the surface with a few tiny black sesame seeds, like stars in the night sky. As the heat begins to radiate, the miracle appears. The warmth coaxes the surface to rise, blooming into a toasted caramel hue, and exhaling a sweet aroma that perfumes the entire kitchen. Lifting a warm spoonful, the melt-in-your-mouth richness of the custard meets the tart, succulent burst of tangerine right at the tip of the tongue. Does the fragrance of the freshly baked batch make your heart flutter? I wonder from which country or time zone you are watching Cooking Tips 5S right now. Regardless of the geographical distance, please leave a comment to let me know if you are on the team that craves the original richness of custard, or if you prefer the refreshing tartness of fruit. Every shared word from afar is a great joy that warms this little kitchen. Continuing today's culinary story, we shall soothe the stomach with a light dish, carrying the deep breath of the countryside. Black sesame oat cake. It begins with a plate of rustic rolled oats, grains that have captured the essence of the earth and sky. The oats are poured into a deep porcelain bowl, then awakened with a touch of pure water. As the grains soften and absorb the moisture, we sprinkle in pristine white flour, sweet crystals of sugar, and a rain of black sesame seeds carrying their signature nutty aroma. Finally, a single egg showcasing a brilliant yolk is added, acting as the bond to unite all these elements. 2 spoons glide through, mixing everything into a thick, playfully speckled batter. The flame is lit, and the dark pan is brushed with a thin layer of oil, using a dreamy lilac silicone brush. The oat mixture is poured slowly, the ladle skillfully smoothing the batter into a perfect circle, like a full moon. A soft, sizzling sound rises like a meditative stream. Once the base has set and released its toasted fragrance, a gentle flip with a spatula reveals a golden brown, lightly charred crust that is utterly inviting. The warm cake is lifted onto a luxurious white porcelain plate with gold accents. The blade glides through, dividing that moon into perfect little crescents. Upon taking a bite, the chewy fragrance of the oats, the richness of the egg, and the nutty crunch of the black sesame dance together, soothing every sense.